Yo, what's up everybody? Here's a quick tutorial on how to wrap HBD into pHBD. First thing you're gonna do, go to wleo.io and you can find pHBD in the menu, or you can just go straight to wleo.io/HBD. So first thing you're gonna do is, if you wanna go from Hive to Polygon, enter your Polygon address. So this is where you wanna receive your pHBD. So I'm just pasting mine. Then I'm gonna do 100. And then hit transfer, and then as you can see, it opens Hive keychain. So you can use either Hive keychain or Hive signer. Obviously, Hive keychain makes it really easy. So then I just hit confirm, and then it's going through on chain. Then I can go to Polygon scan and see that it got confirmed on the Polygon network. You can see I got 99.65 pHBD. Obviously, there's a small wrapping fee of 0.25% when you wrap HBD to pHBD. So paid that fee. Now I've got 99.65 pHBD. So now the question is, what do you do with that? You can go to the farms and you can deposit liquidity. Obviously, that's the whole point of this, is to build liquidity for pHBD on other blockchains, on other exchanges, and really just to get HBD out there like the way that UST is. I think that HBD and Hive have a big potential here, and that's why Polycub is trying to seed the liquidity for pHBD. So you can do that, or you can go to Paraswap. That's my favorite place to swap on the Polygon network, and obviously you can swap it for other coins. So either provide liquidity or swap. Those are the use cases for pHBD, and you can find those in the next tutorials. So have fun wrapping.